At the dawn of time, there was little or no activity in the field of compressor development. Actually, there was no activity at all, but this situation was soon to change. Out of the complex evolution of nature, suddenly and rather unexpectedly, an intelligent creature stood up. By using his brain, Homo sapiens was able to find smart solutions to his everyday problems. He developed the first compressor. This man-powered tool was cheap, reliable, and portable. From the very beginning, mankind would invest great effort in the development of compressed air techniques. All over the world, archaeologists have found indisputable evidence to prove that compressed air techniques were already in use in ancient cultures. The first texts on the subject are found in the writings of the early Greek philosophers. Continuous research and development led to new applications, better performances, and the very first industrial accident. It would take mankind another 1,000 years of trial and error to come up with the first reliable compressor. It was the brave but slightly barbarian Vikings who developed the first two-stage compressor.
Hey, oi! Lance! Dito, America! Fast! Door!
Soon after they discovered America, they also discovered the need to learn to swim. By the end of the 17th century, air compressors were powered by steam and diesel.
Gustav! Ja, was ist ja los?
Gustav Diesel always worked the morning shift. Around midday, his friend Alfred Steam took over for the afternoon. In the 19th century, during the Industrial Revolution, the need for a more powerful air compressor grew. In spite of much endeavor and activity among compressor inventors, their efforts produced few practical results. Once more, it was in Sweden that the next giant step forward was taken. A Swedish Atlas Copco engineer started to refine existing compressor techniques and the related tools. The installation of an on and off switch on pneumatic drills was widely considered as a smart upgrade. The switch soon solved the problem of unwanted migrations of road diggers. The applications of compressed air became very diverse, and Atlas Copco was soon a worldwide standard. Nature explorers harnessed the power of compressed air to imitate the mating call of the female African elephant. Though not always with the desired results.
Action! Oh, here comes another one!
Hollywood also saw the enormous potential and creative possibilities of compressed air.
Cut. Thank you, Miss Monroe.
Oh, I wish we had oil-free compressors.
Until the 1950s, the trend in compressed air installation was big is beautiful. Big reciprocating compressors requiring installation engineering were commonly used in industry. In the late 1950s, Atlas Copco pioneered the oil-free screw revolution, introducing the famous U-type machines. These compressors were still big and bulky. A major step towards modernization was taken when Atlas Copco introduced the first version of what would become a great success story, the Z compressors. First package compressor, easy to install, easy to maintain, the Z, a real breakthrough in compressor technology. These were the late 60s. During the 70s, the GA's oil-injected screws joined the Zs within Atlas Copco's package compressor range. Besides improvement of the packaging, the 80s saw the use of the first electronic compressor controller, the Electronicon, and also multi-compressor controllers allowing up to 10% energy savings. The 90s brought more attention to environmental care, energy recovery, noise level reduction, ISO 14001 certification. Further integration of piping and components were key features in the product development of the future compressor range. In the third millennium, the quest to fulfill customers' needs continues. The overall ambition is to provide customers with the best technology for their processes. Lower noise level, smaller packages, integration of components, and the most efficient drive and regulating systems will bring substantial benefits to customers and contribute to increasing their productivity. Today, as a result of continuous interaction and commitment to bringing innovative products to the market, Atlas Copco is proud to introduce the fully integrated GA180 VSD FF, which virtually eliminates the need for a compressor room.
Merge the GA90 and the GA110. Integrate the VSD. GA180 VSD. FD 450. ID 470. OSM 500. Reshape the water separator and introduce the oil separator. OSD 315. Merge ID 470, DD 520, OSD 315. Integrate into GA180 VSD. GA180 VSD full feature.
Approve this kind of immunity, but that this agreement that was reached today is a very important step in getting the courts on the U.S. side to approve that. Relitza?
So we've heard there how the European Commission is working on environmental legislation. But what role do companies such as Atlas Copco play in making our planet a healthier place to be? Over to Belgium and our special correspondent, Jim Morris.
Well, Virginia, the environment certainly seems to be a top priority at Atlas Copco. Alan Rodriguez is marketing manager of the oil-free air division, and he joins me now. Welcome, Anna. Tell me, what exactly is your division's contribution to the environmental care program?
Well, our involvements are many. First, being a division within Atlas Copco Air Power, we are applying to all our business processes, from design to manufacturing, an environmental management system which has been ISO 14000 certified.
Okay, but can you be more specific? I mean, how do you apply that, say, to new product development?
Well, in many ways. We strongly believe that oil-free air compressors better serve our customer needs. Our leading Z range is present in all industrial sectors, offering to our customers there, round the clock, 100% oil-free air.
Yes, I understand.
Well, we seem to be having a little problem with the line to Belgium there at the moment. I'm sorry about that. Let's just give it a moment.
Okay, looks like we're back.
Well, no, oh, yes, I think we do. Yes, we have the connection back. So back to you, Jim.
Right. You had 2 points. What was the second issue?
The second issue I want to insist on is related to energy consumption and energy savings. You have to know that energy consumption represents above 70% of total costs related to life cycle of a compressor. By offering a complete range of variable speed compressors to our customers, we offer them the opportunity to make substantial energy savings, reduce their energy consumption, thus contributing to environment costs.
Okay. Seem to be having a slight transmission problem here. Excuse us.
Remain calm and don't take any action. The purpose of our visit to the Atlas Copco grounds is your ingenious and unique VSD technology in an oil-free compressor. For millennia, we have searched all over this universe for such a system, and finally we found it. Traveling at the speed of light is not so good for our power bill, and your VSD is the only solution to resolve our expensive problem. We hide for a couple of weeks on the dark side of the moon to follow every experiment with your prototypes. And finally, we came down this morning because we got curious what a VSD actually does.
Immediately, I saw possible applications with compressed air, and indeed, combined with your VSD technology, we could create reliable armed weapons. Therefore, we have to go into the nervous system of an oil-free compressor to analyze the VSD and its workings in all parts.
We have to go. We've got a job to finish.
What's happening?
I'm H. Lewis, your captain on the ZRT A-15. We have an emergency, but there's no reason to panic. I and the crew aboard my ship will do everything in our power to destroy and defeat the aliens and their mad plan, even to the point of sacrificing our own lives. Because no one will steal our VSD technology.
Switch to code red.
Okay, to prevent eye damage, I advise everybody to put on the safety glasses, which are located under their seats. Final warning to all ground staff to evacuate the area.
All staff, the Explorer, ZRT 815 in position. Safety glasses on, shields are closed. Molecular degeneration procedure will initiate within 5 seconds.
All systems activated. Ready for degeneration. Procedure completed and take off!
MD-800 VSD and ZR-315 VSD right in front of us.
Life forms detected between the compressor outlets and the dryer inlets.
Target spinning rapidly.
Clearance to attack. Don't hit the regulator.
Launch missile.
Impact negative.
Unload the unit. We can't stop them anymore, and they'll float through the open-air inlet valve. Slow down the unit at once.
Uploading the codes.
Approaching the force field of the air inlet. Engines off.
I can't steer at all.
Just trust the flow. Your speed's okay. Don't worry about the polluted and moist air particles. The collisions with the ship are harmless.
A dry paper filter will eliminate up to 1 micron, which matches the size of your ship.
Just some small dots flying around, no aliens in sight. Switch on the propellers. Where the hell are those invaders? Ah, they got through. We're stuck. Boost the unit again. Towards oil circuit and approaching.
No need to try that. The closed oil circuit is a 200% solid-proof chamber.
We'll unload the VSD again.
T-3. T-2.
T-1.
Damage report. 2 back propellers are lost. No oil leak. Your side propellers are strong enough to continue. No damage to the rotary screws.
Target located.
Speed.
There are the aliens.
Slow down. You're approaching the 70 degrees Celsius zone and falling.
Approaching Y separator.
Homer, are you out of your mind? We had enough pressure to slow down the unit.
Sorry, Professor, but we got through and no damage at all.
Passing target. Location. Non-return valve to MD-800 PSC.
That's an ingenious strategy. The aliens will go twice through the empty dryer and will be behind you once you pass the ejector. Watch out, you're speeding too fast.
Prepare for submersion.
Energy loss on main supply.
No problem. Use your VSD connector and save on your energy.
Passing compensated.
Aha! The aliens got stuck in the regeneration cooler underneath you.
Whoa, that was close.
Captain, you're about to leave the compressor installation and enter the compressed air net.
I know, and the chances of survival are about 10,000 to 1. See you soon, I hope. Final over and out.
Good luck.
Oh no, we lost them.
Yes, we made it.
Prepare to launch 8 compressed air torpedoes.
Impossible to launch. Distance too short. Danger of returning explosion.
Launch now!